Hey guys, so this is my analysis on DXY guys. So let's do a quick top-down analysis on DXY, top-down analysis on DXY for us to know. So let's see what DXY is doing. As we can see, right, I've explained this in my previous analysis that DXY, we can see that overall DXY is on the uptrend. We can see we have this impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, right? Breaking previous structure, and we are pushing to the upside. So for the current price market on the XY, we can see that the XY has been kind of like consolidating. We can see, right, which is like a ranging market because of how it has been doing, right? So there is that possibility of it pushing to the upside. So we can see that the XY has been ranging in this zone right here. We can see that the zone is quite a significant zone because we can see that the zone was once a resistance, right? But now it's now a support, right, which make it a solid zone for us to like look forward to. We can see that it has been ranging around that area and it's having issues trying to break it, but we could not break the zone, right? So which make it shows that we might continue to push to the upside based on that, right? And I've also mentioned in my previous analysis that because we currently rejected around the 27% fib level, and as we know that 27% fib is a reversal zone slash area, so that means there's a possibility of it actually giving us an impulse, a correction to continue to push to the downside so sad. But like I said in my previous analysis, that as long as we did not break out of the zone, then we're still gonna be looking for buy overall on the bigger time frame, right? This is the monthly time frame. So at least I'm looking forward to it breaking this previous high. We can see that this actually broke the previous high. I'm predicting some push to break the previous high as well. If I make this a little bit bigger, we can see that it looks like the buy in the market based on the fact that this candlestick engulfed the previous candlestick, right? And we are coming down here to retest this around the zone right here. So I'm seeing that impulse correction and some sort of like a continuation to push the upside and possible break this previous structure for us to know that it's continuing to push to the upside. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what the market is doing. I'm going to adjust my previous trend line to the current price market right here. As we can see, let's put a zone right here. So we can see on the weaker time frame right here that the market is still giving us the bullish run, breaking structure, give us this beautiful engulfing candle. And we can see the impulse, the correction around this area for it to continue to tank to the upside, right? So I'm gonna draw a zone right here, just draw a zone, just to show we can see that this area that it's rejecting from, it is significant zone, right? So we can see that we've rejected around the zone quite a number of time, right? So definitely predicting some continuation to push to the upside. Let's see an impulse from point A hit to point B. So you can see that drive here. Based on this, we can see that we currently rejecting around 27% fib level. We push down to retest the zone. We test the zone, predicting some push continue to push the upside, right? So let's go to my daily time frame and see. If you remember, based on my previous analysis, that I'm predicting continue to push the upside to at least fill in the gap, right? Fill in the gap, because we can see there is a gap right here that needs to be filled and it hasn't been filled yet. So I'm predicting some sort of like a move to continue to fill. So we can see that even on a daily time frame, so everything is pointing to the upside. We can see that we have this engulfing candlestick right here that is going to continue to push to the upside as well. Let's go to my 4 hour time frame. And so right here we can see I'm going to draw a mini fib as well, point A to point B. Let me change the color of that to black. So as you can see right here, based on this mini fib right around this 4 hour, where we can see the impulse correction rejected around 78.6% fib level on the significant zone right here to continue to push to the upside, right? So certainly I'm predicting a push to at least probably touch negative 27% fib level. Might come down a little bit more before we continue to push the upside, right? So we can see right here, this is a quite, let me draw a zone right here just to show right here. So based on this right here, right, like I said, we might have something like this push right here to this level right here to continue to push to the upside to hit negative 27% level, or we might go a little bit deeper to the zone for us to continue to push to the upside, right? So that is, let's go to more smaller time frame to see if we can find anything else. Nothing much apart from the fact that we can see currently that this zone right here, we have this bear engulfing candle right here. So like I said, which that is, there is a possibility of it pushing a little bit further right before we know it based on that. But don't forget, if I draw a mini zone right here as well, if I draw a mini zone right here, let's see, if I draw a mini zone right here, right, because we had this break of structure right around this area and it's currently around that area to retest. So we might have some sort of like this for you to continue to push it up to the upside. But if we have it coming down here, right, breaking down this area right here, then certainly we might come to around this zone right here to retest for it to continue to push to the upside. That's a possibility that we are looking for, right? So let's see how the market continue to reject around the zone. So that will determine continuation move, right? But I still see it's at least coming up here to return to its negative 27% fib level, then we might fall, right? Or like I said, it might come down here, retest the zone before we hit negative 27% fib level, because it doesn't hit this yet, right? And I'm still predicting to continue to hit this level right there So that is what I'm looking forward to overall on DXY is a buy. So let me just put my sort of scenario right here for it to continue like this to hit TP1, and this will be my TP2, which is overall negative 27% fib level on the bigger time frame, as we can see right here, right? So let's change the color of that. Or just like I mentioned previously, right? If we continue to see a momentum of sell, then let's see it come right here before it hits this level right here. So let's put my price tag right here, move here, which is will be TP1 area right here, and TP2 will be right here. So this is my quick thoughts on the XY, guys. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.